So also, another thing that I just want to quickly announce, I will be having an online tutorial via Zoom. So if you want to join, you can hit me up on Instagram, DM me, or my WhatsApp number is on the description. My Telegram group is on the description below. Just hit those links and hit me up if you want to join. It's on the 2nd of February. It's a new year. Let's invest in our knowledge and skill. Thank you guys again. So this is Euro USD weekly time frame. I want to show you analysis that I am doing on Euro USD. I want to trade it next week, so I'll be focusing on that. I will be sharing some few signals on Euro USD also next week on the Telegram group, so make sure to join the Telegram group. The link is in the description below. So I have marked some few zone levels here on the chart. As you can see, these are levels where we had like multiple rejections from, so they are very significant levels. Let me move to the daily time frame so that we can see what's really happening. So as you guys know that the market moves in impulsive move, corrective structure, impulsive correction, impulsive and correction. Naturally, what we are expecting from this move is a impulsive move to the upside, since we can see that this is a clear uptrend. All right, we can also use the trend line for referencing. This is a clear uptrend, a beautiful uptrend right there, where you will be looking for buying opportunities. So let's move to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, that is where we see the corrective structure in a broader manner. So if you guys can do something like this, I see here that we have a chart pattern. This is a falling wedge, and now on that falling wedge, the market has clearly broken out of, came back to test that level, and then pushed to the upside. This is a clear falling wedge. We can see that this corrective structure has now been broken and we're ready to push to the upside. Hopefully as well, the market also rejected the trend line, the support trend line, so it's a really good confirmation for an upward movement. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame for some entries. Okay, so we have our structure here. We have a structure here that has been broken, as you guys can see right there. You know, this is a level where market reacted as a support here, breaks out, reacted as a resistance, and then finally a breakout. Now we are expecting it to react as a support, so hopefully we can have a push to the upside. All right, so we see that the market has broke this structure, has broken this level with multiple rejections. So let's move to the 15-minute time frame to confirm our entry right there. So we have I see a symmetric triangle here, which is also a chart pattern, but we are looking for it to be broken first in order for us to validate an entry. So if the market breaks this symmetric triangle to the upside, we will be looking to buy as soon as we can. Our target is very simple. Let's move to the 4-hour let me show you guys our target. Our target is very simple. We can use this level right here as our first target, and then our last target will be right here at the end of the falling wedge. So as you guys can see, this level here reacted as a support and then resistance. We will be expecting some reaction on this level once again when the market gets to this point. If it breaks out, the market will retest. That is where you can also even add more trades if you want, which is what I'm going to do until probably this level right here, where we will exit. This is where I want to exit. This is where I want to take profit, because of course this is also our third target right there, which is the highest level currently on the market on this 4-hour time frame, if not the daily as well. Yes, this is the level that I drew on the daily, and that is our last target. So hopefully the market reacts the way that we want it to react, and then yeah, we will be profitable like that. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Like this video, you guys, if you found it helpful. Join my Telegram group and let's be a family. Thank you guys again. Peace and love.